we will see the different types of angles now with the help of this scale, and as I have told you before, with the help of this protector we are going to draw angles. Okay, first of all children, you draw a line with the help of a scale. Okay, with the help of a scale you draw a straight line like this. Okay, this is a straight line. Now with the help of this protector, what you have to do, this is a protector, you see it properly, this is the protector. Here you can see an arrow here. We have to put this arrow on one end of the line and we have to measure it. These are the measurements, and here we have to measure 90 degrees for right angle. Right angle means the angle which measures 90 degree is called a right angle. Okay. Now we will put this arrow on one end like this. Okay, and it should be in a straight line like this. Properly in a straight line. In a straight line, you will see it properly. Here there is an arrow. On this one end I have put it and put one point here on the 90 degrees. You can see different type of degrees. This is a 0 degree, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here 90 degree means, no sorry, here it is 0 degree, 10 degree, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90 degrees. Okay, I have drawn a point here and with the help of a scale I am going to match these lines like this. Okay, now see children, you can see here it is meeting, these two lines are meeting at a certain point and it is making an angle. This is an angle, it is making an angle here, see, and this angle is of 90 degree. This angle is of 90 degree. Okay, so it is called right angle. Angle which is of 90 degree is called right angle. Okay, this is a right angle. It is making a 90 degree. Now we will see how to make an acute angle. Again you have to draw a line here like this. You will draw a line here like this. Again you place this arrow on one point here and you measure what is acute angle. Angle which is less than 90 degree is called a acute angle. 90 degree means right angle and less than 90 degree may be 80 degree, 70 degree, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Anything it can be but not 0 degree. Okay. So I am putting here point on 70 degree. See here. Now I will match these two lines here again like this. If I match it like this, it will make acute angle. Angle, it is of 70 degree. Okay. Angle less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Okay, it is called as acute angle. Now we will see obtuse angle. Now put a line here like this. And you again, what is obtuse angle? I have told you before, obtuse angle means greater than 90 degree, means it should measure greater than 90 degree. 90, it may be 100 degrees. It may be 120 degrees. Greater than 90 degrees. Okay. Then again we will put an arrow here and we'll measure it properly like this. This is a 90 degree. If we put a point, this is 100, this is 110, 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, 170, 180 degrees. Okay. We will put point on 170 degrees here. 170 degrees. Now again we will join this point with this point. Okay. It is making 170 degree. The angle which is greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. Angle greater than 90 degrees is obtuse angle. Okay. Now today we have learned about the different types of angles. We can see the angles between many things around us. I have also told you before, when the two lines meet at a certain point, it is called a angle. It makes an angle. And in fourth standard, we are going to learn three types of angle: right angle, acute angle, and obtuse angle. There are actually 7 types of angles, but we will learn right angle, acute angle, and obtuse angle. And in other videos, we will see more angles. Okay. We will just revise it. The angle which makes 90 degrees is called right angle. The angle less than 90 degrees is called acute angle, and the angle which is greater than 90 degrees is called an obtuse angle. Children, try to draw these angles at home and try to find out the angles with the help of your protector. Okay? Thank you.